Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about levels of data flow diagrams of DFD. Okay. A data flow diagram DFD is a graphical representation of how data flows through a system. It shows the processes, data stores, external entities and the movement of data between them. DFD are hierarchical, meaning they are divided into different levels that provide increasing detail about the system. See, a DFD is a way to show how data moves inside a system. Okay, and it helps us understand what the system does, how it receives data, and how it is process it. Okay, and where it stores or sends it. Okay, and DFDs are divided into different levels, and each level shows how more detail than the previous one. Okay, let's see them one by one. First one is context level 0 DFD. Definition: the highest level DFD representing the entire system as a single process. Purpose: provides a bird's eye view of the system and its interaction with external entities. Components: single process represents the whole system. Then external entities: people, organizations, or systems interacting with the system. Data flows show input and output between the system and external entities. Example: online shopping system interacting with customers, suppliers, and payment gateways. See, first is first context level. Okay, first is level 0, also called the context level, meaning at this level we see the whole system as a single process. Okay, and what it shows: how the system interacts with the outside world like users, other systems, or suppliers. And example, like, imagine online shopping system. At level 0 it will show customers placing orders, suppliers sending products, and payments going through a payment gateway. Okay, so basically level 0 tells you what the system does overall, but not how it does it. Okay, so second is level 1 DFD. Definition: breaks down the single process from level 0 into sub processes. Purpose: shows the major functional components of the system and their interactions. Components: processes, main functions, or modules of the system. Then data stores: places where data is temporarily or permanently stored. Data flows: movement of data between processes, data stores, and external entities. Example: online shopping system, broken info. Order management, payment processing, inventory management. See, level 1 DFD. Okay, meaning here the big system is broken into major parts or functions. Okay, and what it shows: how these main functions work, how they talk to each other, and where they store or receive data. Okay, example, like our online shopping system can have order management, handling orders, payment processing, managing payments, inventory management, tracking products. Okay, and basically level 1 shows the main work the system does, but the still not the tiny steps inside each functions. Okay, now third one is level 2 DFD. Definition: further decomposition of level 1 processes into more detailed sub processes. Purpose: provides a detailed view of system functionality for developers or analysts. Components: details of processes, data stores, and data flows at a more granular level. Example, order management process broken into order validation, order confirmation, shipping processes. Okay, see, level 2 DFD. We have level 2 DFD and lower levels. Okay, meaning is each level 1 function is now broken into smaller steps. What it shows, the detailed flow of data inside the system. Okay, an example like the order management function can be divided into order validation, checking the order, order confirmation, confirming the order with the customer, then shipping process, okay, sending the product to the customer. Like level 2 shows exactly how the system works internally. Okay, level 2 shows exactly how the system works internally. Then level 1 shows the main work the system does, but still not the tiny steps inside each function. And level 0 tells you what the system does overall, but not how it and does it. Okay, summary table of DFT levels line by line. Level 0 DFT purpose context overview. Representation single process with external entities. Example entire online shopping system. Okay. Level 1 DFD purpose major functions representation decomposition of level 0 into sub processes. Example order payment inventory models. Level 2 DFD purpose detailed functional view representation further decomposition of level 1 processes. Example order validation, order confirmation, shipping. Level 3 DFD purpose more granular details representation detailed process flows optional. Example step by step internal order processing. Okay, key points to remember: DFDs are hierarchical, each level adds more detail. Okay, level 0 is for stakeholders, level 1 and 2 are for analysts and developers. Helps in understanding, designing and communicating system processes effectively. See, level 0 shows the whole system and its external interactions. Okay, then level 1 shows main function or modules inside the system. Okay, and level 2 and lower shows detailed steps inside each function. Okay, so remember, DFDs are hierarchical, meaning each level goes deeper and explains more. Okay, that's all about DFD levels. Okay, thank you.